Why does your scanner show the P0269 engine code? What does it mean? P0269 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 3 contribution or balance fault. This engine code indicates the PCM detects the cylinder 3 as having a low contribution to the running of the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel injector in cylinder 3. Low fuel pressure. Injector wiring issues. Low compression in cylinder 3. Clogged fuel filter. ECM software issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle equipped with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, GM, Toyota, Honda, etc. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.